Disconnect pulled, capacitor's discharged.
Air conditioner, compressor. So I'm playing AC Jenga. Take as many ice cubes as you can, stack them up, get as high as you can get. Obviously getting a few on top to cool it down, but set some ice cubes where you're going to cool down the thermal overload switches, which is mostly right behind here. So it's just how far can we get stacked up here. So here we go. There's one. Like Jenga. Not doing too good. I had it about 4 high on the bottom one and then it melted. AC Jenga here. Let's see how high can we get. Oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Oh boy. Yeah, it's melting, so makes it tricky. Makes it pretty tricky. Uh-oh. Alright, well, you get the idea. AC Jenga, it's not so easy. Ice in a bag, and then you won't have to play AC Jenga. Okay, one way to test if your compressor is overheated.
Aside from it being blazing
this one
hot.
I'd already tested it, but I had no continuity between the common or the run and the start winding. And I've been cooling it down with the DL.
Of course, I got the disconnect pulled and the capacitor's discharged.
And when it's there, we should get continuity. So obviously I'm not there yet, but I've got continuity between my common and my run, but not between my common and the start wire. So when that thermal switch comes back together, then I'll have continuity between the run and the start wire. And so there's no point in plugging it back in until we get that, because otherwise the compressor will just sit there and get hotter and hotter, as it will get power between the common and the run, and it'll sit there getting hotter. But we need to have a connection between run and start or common and start in order for this unit to start. So it's, there we go, I got it. So now we will be able to start it. Good, and it should start up. We can plug our disconnect in. I can pull the ice onto our compressor. Plug in. We got power between.
We have continuity
between common and run, so the unit should start. There may be something more wrong with the fan or something else. We'll see. Here goes. Plug in? I don't think so.
The disconnect is upside down. You'll need to flip it right side up. Flip it around. Plug it in.
Yeah. There we go. Yeah. There's our fan. There's our compressor. Always want to stand to the side of these things because they could blow out. It has a safety cover that goes over that. I forgot to put that back on, but anyway, just wanted to show you that common and start or run and start issue. Just one quit for some reason. We cooled down the fan motor, we cooled down the compressor. It's all running now. It was a super humid day. I thought is sometimes the humidity mixes with the dust that sat there for a long time, but I could have a bad fan motor. Just gonna have to monitor it. But the main point was the common and run and getting your overheated compressor started
For this video.